Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the DNS errors on your Windows. I'm going to share to you different methods and solutions. You need to watch the whole video and try as to what method will work best for you. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar right here, you need to type CMD, which stands for command prompt. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Now here in this block window, you need to type this command, ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. It's ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. Hit enter. Now successfully flush the DNS resolver cache, type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the next methods, we also need to make sure that our network adapter is up to date. So simply click on the Windows search bar and type device manager. Device Manager under the best match, just simply click on that. Now here in the Device Manager window, you need to locate your network adapters. Now here in the list, if you're confused as to what is your network adapter, now press the Windows key and letter R button together, type ncpa.cpl, click on OK. Now let's minimize this window. Here you can find I have the Realtek. So I have Realtek right here. Make a right click, select update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close out of here. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type ncpa.cpl, control panel item. Click on that. Maximize this window. Locate your connection, make a right click, select properties. Now here in the properties window, scroll down and look for the Internet Protocol version 6. Make sure this is disabled. So if this is checked in your case, simply uncheck it to disable it. Click on OK and close this windows. And for the final method is you can restart your router and your computer. So this could be very simple, but this can be very helpful. You need to turn off your router and then wait for a few seconds, and then you need to turn it on again. And then after you have restarted your router, you can also restart your Windows. So make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.